How to use Canva for beginners in just 12 minutes. First, open canva.com. So, click that. So, as can you see, there are many magic layers, presentation, and many can photo editor, custom size. For that, click just this customize. I mean custom size. Create new. So example, if you want a design or sticker sample 150, use, or you can use in millimeter or centimeter. Try centimeter. Use 20 and 10. Click this, create new design. So this you can create your own. This is an example. So just wait to pop up. So search templates or go here in elements and search whatever you want. Example, education, education. So here like this, go to graphics. So click this and edit like this. For this is a sticker. Example here. You can use transparency like that, and everything else. This, that, this, here, and if you want a flower, just delete this and search flower, flower, enter. So just delete and delete. So frames and try go to graphics. Then choose your flower. If you want that, just like that. Here, click that. So you can know how to make a sticker. So let's proceed. Just select this home or click this X. So this is a custom size. So try um let's use for a certificate. Let's try 20, 20. Create new design. Just wait. So that so if your sizing is not correct, just click it again and then change it. So whatever you want. So I created my own here. So this best in technology. So I created this. So can put your name. So let's make another one here. So go to element and describe your ideal element. So example, mm, try Filipino. So this, go to graphics again, in here, like that, can create this. I just created this my own, and after you make it, I just make it using this template. Search for technology, technology template. So you can use whatever you want as your template. So for example, this or this. So if you click that, so just wait. Can see try it for free for 30 days. So I prefer do not click this. So X. So go exit this and go whatever you want. So for example, photo editor. So you can upload your photo and if you want to create a presentation, go to this and click it. And then you can just search your presentation. For example, body. Why do we need to take care of our body? So you can generate. Just wait. Can search here. Say, why do we need to stay alive? Video presentation. So it's finalizing. Or you can choose in here. So this is a presentation and this one is a video presentation. And like this, our family's basic needs, human body. So this, click it, then click this, apply all 7 pages. So this is the presentation. So by clicking this, so this, left click it, then this. If you want to exit, just right click and exit full screen. You can add your voice in it. Just click this and then present and record. Record yourself as you present. Click in it. Go to record studio and like that. So start recording. So you can record yourself, add notes like that. Click it and proceed like that. You can just add note. After that, you can end recording or cancel. You can cancel it or discard.